We're making a healthy, delicious pumpkin pie smoothie that is packed with protein from Cottage cheese. It's loaded with nutrient-dense ingredients like pumpkin puree, cashew butter, chia seeds, and protein powder. It's an easy, satisfying meal or snack to keep you feeling full and energized. Hello, my name is Nicole Bonilla, and if you love healthier recipes of our favorite foods, then you are in the right place. To make this really easy smoothie, we're going to start with some milk, and you could use regular milk or almond milk. Unsweetened vanilla flavored almond milk is my favorite. So we're going to start with half a cup of milk, and then for delicious protein, we're going to add 1/3 cup of cottage cheese. Now you can use any variety that you like. Now you're welcome to jot down these ingredients as we go along, or you can click on the link that's in the video description, and that will take you to my website with all the details. Next, we're going to add 1/4 cup of pumpkin puree, and this is different than pumpkin pie filling. And then for some yummy flavor as well as healthy fat, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of cashew butter. You can use any butter that you like. Then we'll add 2 tablespoons of your favorite protein powder, and I recommend using a vanilla protein powder. I really like this plant-based protein that has nuts and seeds. And I've included a link in the description below if you'd like to check it out. Next, we'll add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, and you can use the light ones or the dark ones. They're both the same. And then for that classic flavor, we'll add 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. But you can also just use cinnamon if you like. This is optional, but you can add 1 tablespoon of maple syrup to sweeten it up just a little. And then to make it extra cold and creamy, I'm going to add about 4 ice cubes. Now, if you could use more healthy inspiration on a regular basis, I invite you to join my email list. All you have to do is click on the link in the description below, and that is the best way for us to stay connected. So now we'll screw on the lid to our blender, and you can use any upright blender that's powerful enough to crush ice. Now I'll just screw it on the base, and then I'll let it run for about a minute or until all the ice has been chopped down. Now I have this very incredibly smelling, creamy smoothie, and it is ready to be enjoyed. That is so delicious. That tastes just like pumpkin pie, but in the convenience of a smoothie. And I love that it's filled with protein and nutrient-dense ingredients that will keep me feeling full longer. And I want you to know that I believe in you and your ability to eat the healthier foods that will leave you feeling fantastic from the inside out. And I'm here to support you in any way that I can. Well, thank you so much for hanging out with me today in my kitchen, and I've included a link to the full recipe, and it's in the video description below. And that will take you to my website, gentletummy.com. And I also invite you to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you know someone else who you think would love this recipe, please share this video with them. And I cannot wait to have you hang out with me again in my kitchen.